It's math time with Teacher Alian. How are you feeling today? For today's video, our objective is to perform addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions using the butterfly method. When do we say fractions are similar? When the denominators are the same, like, for example, 1 over 9 and 3 ninths. So to find the sum of these fractions, we will just simply add the numerators, then copy the denominators. So 1 plus 3 will give an answer of 4, and then just copy the 9 will give the sum of 4 over 9. As simple as that. So, but what if the given fractions are 2/3 and 1/4? How will we be able to find the sum of these fractions? As you notice, the denominators are different. So this is called dissimilar fractions. So to find the dissimilar fractions, you can do the long method, which is finding the LCD to make the fractions similar, or you may use the butterfly method. It is called butterfly method since the process looks like a butterfly when you're getting the answer. So without further ado, let's start our first example, 2/3 plus 1/4. So in finding the sum of these fractions, we will be using the butterfly method. Step number 1. Cross multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then cross multiply the numerator of the second fraction to the denominator of the first fraction. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Third step, add the products 8 and 3 will give an answer of 11. Lastly, we multiply the denominators 3 and 4 will give a product of 12, and that will be the new denominator. So the final answer is 11 over 12. Again, as easy as that. Let us have one more example. 2/3 plus 1 over 6. We will just follow the steps in getting the sum of the dissimilar fractions using butterfly method. Cross multiply 2 and 6 will give an answer of 12. Cross multiply 1 and 3 will give a product of 3. And then add 12 and 3 will give a sum of 15. Multiply the denominators will give an answer of 18. But this is not yet the final answer since 15 and 18 can still be simplified. So for you to be able to simplify these fractions, you may check my video about simplifying fractions. So to simplify 15 over 18, the highest possible number that we can divide it with is 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So the simplified form of 15 and 18, or 15 over 18, is 5 over 6. So the sum of 2/3 and 1/6 is equal to 15 over 18, or 5 over 6. Example number 3. Subtracting dissimilar fractions. So in subtracting dissimilar fractions, we will just follow the same steps. Let's say you were given with 4/5 minus 1/2. Cross multiply 4 and 2, the product is 8. And then cross multiply again 1 and 5, the product is 5. This time, we just have to use subtraction to find the difference of the given fraction. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and then multiply the denominators will give an answer of 10. Since 3 over 10 is already simplified, that will be our final answer. Example number 4. 2/5 minus 3 over 10. Can you tell me what will be the first step in solving this? Great job. First, we have to cross multiply 2 and 10 will give an answer of 20. Cross multiply 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Then subtract 20 and 15 will be equal to 5, and then multiply the denominators of 5 and 10 will give a product of 50. And again, 5 over 10 is not yet simplified. The highest possible number that can be divided with 5 and 50 is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, and then 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. So the simplified form of 5 over 50 is 1/10. So 2/5 minus 3/10 is equal to 5 over 50 or 1 over 10. You're doing great. So this time I want you to try these examples. Number 1. I will be giving you 10 seconds to finalize your answer. 3/4 minus 1/5. 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. So cross multiply 3 and 5 will give an answer of 15. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And then 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Multiply the denominators will give a product of 20. So the answer to this equation is 11 over 20. Great job. Number 2. Again, 10 seconds to answer. 1/9 plus 1/4. 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Again, cross multiply 1 and 4 will give a product of 4. 1 times 9 is equal to 9. And then 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Multiply the denominators will give a product of 36. So the final answer on the second one is 13 over 36. Very good. So there you go. I hope you learned something today, my little math genius. You can comment down below for some mathematics lessons that you want for my next video. Once again, this is Teacher Aliana. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more videos. Bye!